Nigerians, I want to thank you for all the support that you have given to me and believing in what cause I stand for. It's been a turbulent year, it's been a year of trials, but we thank God for the triumph. And God has helped us to be able to scale through the challenges that we faced. I want to encourage every one of you as we prepare for the Christmas celebration and also for the New Year, that it is time we make up our mind to make the difference. We cannot afford in any way to allow anybody redirect our path. And we cannot allow anybody to try to discourage us from the cause of the new Nigerian project. And so I want to encourage you, Nigerians, to make sure that as you go for the Christmas celebration, God will take you safely. Make sure that you encourage your family members and your community to all stand out for Mr. Peter Obi and Dati Hamed for the 2023 election. And I want to encourage you that it is time we begin to carry out our rallies across the country. All kinds of threats have been thrown out and all kinds of intimidation, but we are not moved by them. We must all fight this cause to make sure that we get the new Nigeria we want to get. And I want to encourage you to have the carnivals in your villages, in your communities, carry out the 10,000 march for Peter Obi and Dati in your community, the 1 million march. Let's begin to steer the waters and steer the atmosphere. Together, we will regain and recover the new Nigeria. But I want to say thank you. Thank you for following me and thank you for the encouragement. And I promise you that in this cause, we will all stand until the end. Nobody can bribe us. Nobody can buy our conscience. We are defending our conviction. And we are the indomitable team that will recover this country and get it on its footing. God bless you. May the grace of God carry you into the new year, and may the peace of the Lord prevail upon you. Thank you. Make sure you share this video with every obedient, and let every obedient know that we are warming up to take over leadership and rebirth this country. God bless you. Shalom.